What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another food review. So we went to Walgreens and we got some of the gummy Skittles. And here's my thoughts on them. Lemon's pretty good. Cherry tastes like cherry. Green apple tastes like green apple, obviously. The orange tastes like it was sitting out for a bit long. And now for the grape. The grape one actually tasted, well, actually they all tasted pretty good. If you like gummy candy and you like Skittles, I suggest getting the gummy Skittles. It was a 10 out of 10 for me, and it was really good. Don't know if I can get more. I could. Just grabbed another handful.
This route avoids road closures on I-90. You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 5:48 p.m.
But yeah, today's been a really good day for me. Hopefully the editing and rendering processes will go pretty good. So far they have, but you never know. I'm your host, Isaac Roman. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one.